Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make Opera GX use less RAM on your PC. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, of course, you need to open up Opera GX, and then you should see a similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And on the left side, you should see, probably it will be the first icon here that says GX control. So you need to press on that, and then on this new pop-up window here, you should see a RAM limiter. So select RAM limiter, and then you can select how much RAM you want to use on Opera GX. On default for me, as you can see, there is 16 gigabytes of RAM on my machine. So I can change it to whatever I like, 10 gigabytes, 6 gigabytes, or even 2 gigabytes. But as you can see here, then they say that if it's below, for me, to 2 gigabytes, my browser speed might be affected. But nevertheless, you can just use this option here to adjust it. Right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.